Hey friends, I'm out in the greenhouse. The weather forecast has changed yet again. Right now it's 67 degrees outside. It'll be down to 41 tonight according to the forecast, but if it's off by a little bit, we're going to have frozen plants. So I have to get a few things done quickly. First, I need to move that cylinder off the window. I don't need to be opening and closing anymore. The temperature isn't terribly high outside, so I think the fan will be able to keep air moving through here just fine. The second thing I need to do is get this heater set up so there's enough makeup air coming into the greenhouse so that it doesn't shut off. Now this vent-free heater has an oxygen depletion sensor in it. It will turn off the heat if the oxygen level in the greenhouse goes too low. The whole point is to keep you from poisoning yourself with carbon monoxide. It works very well, but because it's just a depletion sensor, when the oxygen level gets too low, whether or not there's any carbon monoxide in the air, it shuts the heater off, and that's not what we want. So I have to get the makeup air set correct for this as well. Now, what I'm going to try doing is I'm going to try just opening these louvers up. There's plenty of air that comes through. Now, according to the information that I've gathered about this heater, I need about 10 square inches of open space behind this heater down low, and then I need about 10 square inches on the other side. So for tonight, I think what I'm going to do is have the plastic on the outside of the door down so I have perhaps 20 square inches of opening. Maybe I'll have to do that at the top because the code requires that the space be at the upper side. So one down low, one up high. So I think what I'll probably do is block that window so that it can't close all the way. So I'll get started. What I'm getting ready to do right now is remove a pin from this cylinder so that I can remove the cylinder from the window frame. Well, it came out. Now I'm just going to lock this window down with a hook that I have up here for the purpose. So this window is no longer going to open until I set the cylinder back in place. The cylinder is filled with wax, and I don't want that to freeze this winter. So this will be going in the house and staying there until it's time to put it back together in the spring. The Dutch bucket tomatoes are looking really nice. Considering they were mostly dead when we got back, they're doing fabulously. We have plenty of Swiss chard and brassicas growing here. Hopefully we'll get some more harvest off before the winter gets too short. Plants are looking great. It's time to get them in the Dutch buckets, which means I need to make some more buckets. I've adjusted this cylinder so that the window will not close all the way up. At least I think that's the way it's going to work. I should have the 10 square inches of open space that I need to satisfy the gas code. Well, the sun's going down. I have the essential modifications made so that I can try running this heater again tonight. I'll do some other modifications tomorrow in the light of day. I don't want to be trying to cut as the sun's going down. Thanks for watching. I hope this is of interest to you. If you like what you saw, Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell that will tell you when we post a new video. Have a great day. Take care.